and you know that can be bad. Yeah, she loves you, and you know you should be glad. You said you hurt her so, she almost lost her mind. But now she says she knows you're not that hurting kind. She says she loves you.